In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access GitHub Pro. Whether you're a developer looking for more tools or just want to explore extra features, upgrading to GitHub Pro can be a valuable step. Let's dive into it and go through the process together. First, we'll begin by visiting the official GitHub pricing page. Open your web browser and head over to github.com/pricing. This page gives you an overview of the different plans available, including the free tier, team, enterprise, and of course, Pro. The Pro plan offers enhanced capabilities like advanced code review tools, unlimited collaborators in your repositories, and other resources that can boost your productivity. So, it's definitely worth exploring. Once you're on the pricing page, your next step is to click on Get Started under the Pro plan. This button will direct you to a new page where you'll have the opportunity to sign into your existing GitHub account or create a new one. If you're new to GitHub, don't worry. Creating an account is as straightforward as it gets. You'll provide your email address, create a password, and choose a username. Now, if you already have an account, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Input your username and password as prompted, and you'll be guided to the subscription page. This is the heart of upgrading to Pro, as this is where you'll enter your payment details to complete the process. GitHub offers various payment options, ensuring flexibility and ease of access. Once you've carefully entered your payment information, double-check that all details are accurate to avoid any hiccups. Take a moment to review the amount you'll be billed and the terms of the subscription. It's always a good idea to be fully aware of the financial commitment you're making. After confirming that everything is in order, you're ready to proceed by clicking on the Upgrade to Pro button. Doing so will initiate the upgrade, transitioning your account over to the Pro plan. Almost immediately, you'll gain access to all the new features and benefits that come with being a Pro member. By following these steps, you've successfully unlocked the additional tools and resources GitHub Pro offers. Whether you're diving into complex projects, collaborating with teams, or simply exploring the myriad of possibilities, you now have enhanced capabilities at your fingertips. Remember, the key to mastering any tool is consistent practice and exploration. Don't hesitate to delve into the features and make the most of the resources available to you. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy coding!